Econometric Modeler is the new app in Econometric's Toolbox that allows you to interactively perform time series analysis, specification testing, modeling, and diagnostics. You can easily explore data, perform statistical tests on time series or residuals, apply data transformations, fit econometric models such as ARMA, ARIMA, GARCH, and regression. After finish working on your model, you can export the model to the MATLAB workspace, create a MATLAB function, or generate summary report. Now we're going to use airline passengers data as an example. To start the app, you can type Econometric Modeler in the MATLAB command line, or click on the app icon in the App tab. It's in Computational Finance section. Then you can choose to import data from variables in the MATLAB workspace or import directly from the MAT file. The app supports commonly used data types such as array, table, and timetable. You can simply visualize the data using interactive plots in the Plot tab. The ACF is generally decreasing, but there seems to be a local peak at lag 12. All autocorrelations remain well above the significance range. This is indicative of a non-stationary series. There are 4 types of transformations that you can use, including difference, seasonal, detrend, and log. Let's apply the log transformation, then the difference transformation, and lastly the seasonal transformation at lag 12. At any point in time, you can perform statistical tests on the time series using various methods, including stationary tests, heteroscedasticity test, autocorrelation test, and for analyzing multiple series, Belsley's collinearity diagnostics. Let's perform a Dickey-Fuller test on the original data first. From here, you can right-click and switch to other time series. Let's select the log data. Now, let's try the log difference data. In case you want to read more details about each test, you can click the link in the bottom here to access the documentation. Let's move on to model fitting. There are many econometric models available for you to choose. Let's fit the log data using a seasonal ARIMA model. In the Model Parameters dialog box, you can change parameter values. As you change values, the equation at the bottom of the window updates to match your specifications. When you finish, click Estimate, and you will get the model summary and plots as well as statistical values. Let's fit another model using 2 seasonal lags. To add 2 seasonal lags, we can select 2 here. Once we have fitted models, we can easily analyze the statistical characteristics of residuals by just clicking. After getting the model that we want to use, then we move on to the final step, which is exporting. There are 3 options available for you. First, you can export variables or models back to the MATLAB workspace so that you can work on other applications in MATLAB. Now the exported data and model are in the MATLAB workspace. Second, you can create a MATLAB function. Let's save the function. Now we can easily call the function that we have just created. Copy the script into the command line and run. Last, you can generate the summary report in PDF, doc, or HTML. Now you can use the models on other applications. In fact, there's a lot of things you can do in MATLAB. To get more information about the Econometric Modeler App, please visit the Econometrics Toolbox product page. There is more information about our latest features for you to review. Thank you very much for watching this video.